Down by the bay it smells like slime. The roaches post in crooked rhyme. No mermaid sings upon the tree. The watcher cat is on a spree. He's not the same, he's wild and loud, with slippers burning in a cloud. He went left and guess what's there? He stole the slippers fair and square. He struts to beats both left and right. He drops a verse deep in the night. With tilted cap and cosmic stare, he runs alone without a care. Golden chain on fluffy chest, Star of David, holy jest. Jesus nail on shiny bling. This cat's a punk, a funky king. He steals the cutlets from the stove, then sings his songs in Midnight Grove. All day he floods the group with memes and breaks the branches of our dreams. He mocks the rules, this rebel thing. A jester cat, he may be king. And though he's cursed in every chat, we still forgive that crazy cat.